Hey everyone, this is a walkthrough video of the platform MeTrack. On MeTrack, you find courses handpicked from YouTube. You can enroll in those courses and have real-time discussion with real people who can help you to fix all the errors and problems that you are having in following the tutorial or the course. You can also see what others have built following that same tutorial or submit your project and get feedback on them. Okay, enough talk, let's get to the demo. We have already deployed this platform on a live URL, so you have to visit metrack.tech to use it. This is our homepage, and you can click on this explore button to see all the courses that we have uploaded. But let's scroll a bit more. Down here we have linked the Hashnode article. Click on it, read it, and leave your feedback in the comments. On further scrolling, you can see the trending section. Next we have the features section. As you can see, we provide real-time discussion panel, so that's great. And you can see what others are building. Also, you can build your projects in public, and our platform will be a proof of work for you. On further scrolling, you can see the team section. So Mukul Rajput and I have worked together in collaboration to build this project. And lastly, we have a simple register button. So you can click on join now and go to the register page. This was the introduction to the platform. Let's get into how you can use it. Alright, all you have to do is to register using an email ID. So let's do it quickly. After registration, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now click on courses, then click on explore courses. Here you can select your preferred category from the sidebar. Select a course and open it. You can explore the course without enrolling in, but you can't participate in the discussions. So let's click on enroll now. Once we are enrolled in the course, you can follow the next 5 simple steps, like watching the video. So you can watch this video either on this platform or on YouTube, and then you can also see the about section. Next, you can participate in these discussions and ask your doubts if you have any. This chat is real time, so people can reply back to you and you can have a great chat over here. To show you that this is real time, let's open a new private window and go to metrack.tech. Alright, let's go to any course. By the way, the course has to be the same on both sides. And now when you type something on this side, the message will pop up on the other side at the same time, and the person on the other side can reply back to it as well. Next is the project section. For that, you go to project tab, and here you can see the projects submitted by others. Click on any project. For example, let's click on this sample project. Now you can see all the project details in here, and this is markdown supported as well, like the discussion panel. So you can put your links and code snippets in this section. You can also write a feedback on their project. So let's type something in here and click on send. That's it. Let's close this project and let's see how we can submit our own project. For that, you have to click on this submit project button and select a thumbnail for your project. Click on upload. Your thumbnail will be uploaded. Now let's add title of our project and then the description. Okay. Thereafter, add few tags relevant to your project and then the GitHub repo link and live URL. After this, click upload and your project will be uploaded. You can see that our project is here in the projects tab. Now let's move to the profile section. Click on profile in the nav bar, and now we are in the profile. Alright, here you can see that we have about, timeline, submissions, and edit. Let's edit our profile to add more information. In the about section, add something about yourself, like I'm a web developer. Add your GitHub username, LinkedIn username, and Hashnode username. Click on update and your profile will be updated. In the timeline section, you can track which project you have submitted on what day, and then in the submissions, the projects are shown. Now this is really good because you can show your profile to your potential clients and recruiters and tell them that I have worked on something useful and I have learned something useful. So you build in public and our platform will act as a proof of work for you. That's all about the profile section. You can now move to settings and change a few things there. Here we have few dedicated tabs, one for the dashboard where you can see all your stats. The next tab is projects tab. Here you can see all your submissions, and another one is courses where you can see all the courses which you have enrolled in. And then the settings. In settings you can change your profile picture or your name and change your password as well. So that's all about the demo. I hope you can explore other things on your own. So you are most welcome to use our platform.